this video, I'll show you how to edit a comment on Facebook in seconds. Made a typo or said something you didn't mean. Don't delete it. Just fix it instantly. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful tech tips. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once it opens, go to the post where you left your comment. Now scroll down and find your comment in the comment section. Next, tap and hold your comment, or tap the three dots right next to it. A menu will pop up. From here, tap on Edit. Now just update your comment, fix the mistake, or change the text however you want. Once you're done, tap Update. And just like that, your comment is updated. No need to delete and repost. And that's it. That's how you can edit a comment on Facebook in seconds and avoid embarrassing mistakes. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.